and we're good.
How's it going, Philip Lanhart here, J-Tech. Today we're doing a hood and cab PMI inspection. Just a basic walk around, inspecting for any kind of damages, leaks, or anything like that. We're going to start off up front here, checking our lights. We got our hazards on, our low beams. You'll see our high beams. So our high beams work as well. We noticed one of our running fog lights is out. It's also extremely loose. We're going to start over here checking just the integrity of things. Just a quick inspection of our tires. We'll get into depth of that later. Our hood latch is broken. Get that replaced. Again, the integrity of everything. We have a broken missing mirror. Our door seals. Make sure it's not all wobbly on the hinges. This whole exhaust stack is loose. These bushings got worn out. Make sure our compartments are closed. Overall inspection of the body, any dents, damage, missing rivets, grab handles, our cab air ride, make sure it's not torn, leaking. Again, just a quick overview of wheels and tires, which we'll get into later. Any kind of damage back here, and the lights aren't on. Okay, well, it looks like our brake lights work, our tail lights don't. Our two work lights work. Our work platform here is loose. Simple hardware. That's good. Our other bag. Grab handle, vent door, sleeper door, seals. It's not loose. Make sure we have a roadside kit, as well as a fire extinguisher. It might be up front. Another compartment. This one looks a little inoperative. That fixed. This hood latch is good. You can see here our hood seal has been torn, and we're missing a hood vent. We're gonna open the hood. Look for any grease points. This hood does not have any grease points, but we would take some WD-40 or white lithium grease and spray down the hinges. Check our springs and our cables. This cable is about gone. Spring's good. Yep. So now we're going to go inside and take a quick look at there. So now we're in the interior. We're going to check our lights and our warning lights. Make sure they come on when we just hit the ignition on. Make sure our gauge lights work. And then all interior lights for the driver. Back there, make sure looking for any damage on the dash. It's dirty. Steering wheel's a little torn up. Our yoke or our shifter boot, not torn. Anything getting the transmission. And if we had power on, we check all of our settings for HVAC. And then with all of our gauges working properly, checking our glass, make sure there's no cracks, it's not faded, you can see through it. And then we would do the same basic inspection for our sleeper, for the lights, AC units back there. But that's going to be it for the hood and cab inspection. I'm Philip Lanehart. Thanks for watching.